Nansi indaba. ABI Phakathi Foundation ngokubambisana neThina Entertainment bathulela iprayer for Fikile Mlomo and fundraising for i-operation. Kanti-ke idate umhla ka-26 April ku-2024. Indawo kuzoba se-GNF Durban Station. Isikhathi kuyoba 6 p.m. kuyoze kube 6 a.m. Kanti abayobe benandisa u-Alana Ntanzi, uThina Zungu, uBabongcobo, uJabulile, uThundo, NUZ Voices of Joy, uSweep, Namadville Gospel Choir, iLebo Team, Shumwe and Kopua, Ayalasha, DJ Skreza, Ababuli, Ndumiso Zungu, and many more friends of Fikile in the industry. Kanti ungaqala ukunikela kusuka ku-20 rand kuya phezulu kusothandweni lwakho. I-account number 175 263 9098. Fikile Mlomo, we love you.